Okay, one of my big goals for this year is getting back to focusing on my own wellness and self-care, because I've kind of ignored that for the last few years of my life with growing a business, having babies, moving, doing all the things we've done. One of the big things that I have started doing the last month is using an acupressure mat. I kind of was skeptical about it, didn't really understand how I was gonna like it, just having a bunch of tiny little like needles basically going into my back. It has been such a game changer. I played volleyball in college, so I deal with a lot of chronic back pain just from overuse injuries and things like that. And I just deal with a lot of fatigue later on in the day. I have a little bit of a caffeine addiction, which I'm trying to break, and so this has been such a great addition to that. Okay, so this is the acupressure mat. It is completely non-toxic, made of all natural ingredients, which I love. What you're gonna do is every day for like anywhere from 5 to 20 minutes, just lay on this, step on this, however you want to use it. What it does is kind of a host of different things. It brings energy to your body because it's restoring blood flow and bringing oxygen to the cells, helps release muscle tension. It helps kind of activate your parasympathetic nervous system, which is your rest and digest system, which is what I think a lot of us lack getting into these days with just the pace of life and everything. Okay, I normally do this without a shirt on because you're gonna get a little bit more activation over your whole back. You just lay this on a hard surface. I like to line my like tailbone with the bottom of it, and then you're just gonna lay back. And you're just gonna sit here until you drift off to dreamland. So this is gonna be one of my staples in my getting back to me wellness routine this year. And if you wanna make it one of yours, you can use the link in my bio for 20% off your first order.